Welcome back, everybody. This is December's vlog. I hope you guys are preparing for the storm coming up. If you're in Southern California, it should be a really great wet one right at Christmas or right before Christmas. So I hope you guys are safe and prepared for this storm coming up. So if you are preparing for the storm, or you're trying to prepare for a storm, these couple checklists just for you. One thing is, of course, any soil that you guys are preparing. If you are not covered, you might want to bring those in and have those covered. Any items like trees that need to be put down. If you have high winds, like we in Upland where I live, we do have a chance for high winds. So I'm going to move some of the precarious trees, some of the delicate trees onto the ground or lowered, or I'm going to tie them down. One or those three items I'm going to be doing. Other items is any of the containers that need to be flipped over, things that can collect water, you want to get those out of the way. Of course, any tools that you have outside, because sometimes I do leave my tools outside by accident. Any of these equipments that are not watertight, you want to take those inside, and this is a great time to prepare for that. And of course, if you're doing soil right now, this is winter. This is our winter time. Does not look very winter to me right now, but if this is your winter time, great time to prepare your soil. Again, I just bought some scoria or cinders and pumice from Wolfenbarger, which is in Chino, California here. That's a great resource. Depends on your area, you might want to look at where you can find soil mix in your area. And we'll talk about soil mix a little later, but today we're just going to really get the storm prep, and it's coming pretty quick here, so you want to prepare for that. Of course, move all that stuff indoors as much as you can. Any pots that you think of using, especially if you're going to work during this rainy season, great times to pick up your pots, move those inside also. Also, if you have certain trees that you're going to repot, and you don't want them to get them like really muddy, you might want to move those trees inside too. It kind of speeds up that repotting process. So that's kind of some tips for you if you're going that repotting process right now. Right? Here are some events that has occurred or that will be occurring soon. So Merry Christmas, everybody. I've already said that. Happy New Year's. Probably make a video probably a little later after New Year's, but again, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year's to you and your family, whoever's watching this video. So without your support, we'd never be around. With that said, here is a small clip of our Christmas party we had on December 6th. Thank you for all club members that came out. We had a wonderful time, had great food, had a really great game of the White Elephant Exchange, and that almost lasted a good 2 hours. Here's, again, thank you for everybody who showed up. It was a great time. Now, with that said, here are some events coming up. Number one that's coming up, that's actually starting next week, or actually later this week, excuse me, on December 26th through December 30th, the Aiseki Kai show, I'll put something up here, is having, or Aiseki Kai Club, excuse me, the Stone Viewing Club, will be having a show at the Huntington Library. If I can sneak my way in, probably ask some people to get me in, or if you are a member, it is free with admissions to the Huntington Library, and that's happening this week technically, right until the end of this year. Okay? Now with that really concludes 2025. Again, I hope you had a great year so far and a great year that's coming up in 2026. And this is your personal invitation to our Baikoen Winter Silhouette Show, 61st show in 2026. Again, the dates are happening on January the 17th, 18th of 2026. The event will be happening at the LA Arboretum and Botanical Gardens. I think the address is 301 North Baldwin Avenue, if I'm correct, in Arcadia. So. Doors open at 10 o'clock and they do close promptly at 4:30. I think they close, I think it's correct, 10 o'clock to 4:30 on both days. And this is your invitation. If you're a member or you're going to be a member and you want to show a tree, you're going to have to be a member of our club. Again, please contact Shirley Kwan to pay your membership dues. And of course, you need to be a member to show a tree. Okay? With that said, if you are going to show a tree, please contact Lindsay Shiba with your dimensions and at least a video or a picture of your tree to give him an idea where to set your tree up. He'll be setting everything up. And of course, if you're going to be selling a tree or selling items at our show, please contact Mike Kelly or Bill Ward so they can reserve a spot for you in the selling items. Okay? Again, this is your personal invitation for everybody in the area, or you're going to travel in the area. This is your personal invitation to come and partake in our winter silhouette celebration. Okay. Of course, if you're in the area on Saturday the 17th, about 6 p.m. In Harris Hall, we'll be having a reception. There will be raffles, there'll be dinner, be food, be great conversation with everybody in our community. That again, you guys are all welcome to show up. Please bring a side dish or a dessert shareable with everybody. Of course, you guys are all invited. And that concludes pretty much January, in this case in Southern Cal. And then in February, at the end of February, the only thing I do know, there is the, the Bonsai-a-thon at the Huntington Library happening on February the 28th. And February 28th and March 1st, excuse me. And that is the GSBF South fundraiser for that collection there. Here's a little clip right here. I think I'm correct. Sergio Khan is our guest artist that is sponsored by Josh Roth. And then again, hope save the date, show up. Unfortunately, I probably will not be there. I am actually going to be in San Diego that weekend for the VEX State Championship. So if you're in the area in San Diego, come. If you're not there at if you're not at the Huntington Library on Sunday, that is, because I'll be there Saturday. I'll be there Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Come find me, and then we can talk bonsai at a VEX robotics competition. I think that is it. It's starting to drizzle, I think. But let me conclude again. I wish you guys a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year's. Until next time I see. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.